Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. Happy New Year to each and every one of you guys, all my viewers. I hope this year brings you a lot of success, happiness, and good health. Thank you so much for all the support over the years. Your support is greatly appreciated, and this year 2023, the goal is to reach 100,000 subscribers, and I would need each and every one of you guys to come and support the journey. Looking at the first day of the year, looking at the markets, the cryptocurrency markets, as you guys can see, the overall markets is starting to go back into the green slowly but surely. But is this a time to be getting excited? Not so fast as of now, in my personal opinion. I strongly encourage each and every one of you guys, if you have not already, to go watch my video of the 2023 cryptocurrency forecast. Really goes into detail what I think is going to happen in this year. But today, as you guys might have already guessed by the title, I'm going to be discussing Terra Luna Classic, what's happening, what is this year going to look like. So let's jump right into Terra Luna Classic's price. If we're looking at the price chart, currently trading at the 0.00015 cents mark. It is still holding very strong at the top 42 spot. It's up 2.9% in 24 hours in USD comparative, also up 2.6% in BTC comparative over the last 24 hours. Market cap almost at $900 million, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $84.3 million. So far, so good as far as the price is concerned. But I wanted to share this part with you guys. Crypto Tech on Twitter posted this, and I really wanted to show you guys where this overall community is headed. It's headed in the right direction. The rebuild is headed in the right direction, and this burn really is helping. So let's get right into this. It says, that's amazing. We ended 2022. There's a typo. They wrote 2023, but it meant to say they meant to say 2022. But it says, we ended 2022 with nearly 37 billion Terra Luna Classic burn in just 3 months. How many Luna will we burn in 2023? Write your predictions in the comment. And guys, 37 billion in just 2022 is a very, very impressive number. That's almost 1% of the circulation supply. Now you may be saying that's nothing. Of course not, but we're not in a bull market right now. Imagine when the bull market returns, these burns get supported by different exchanges. Things can start heating up very, very fast, and I really do believe 2023 is going to be a very promising year for Terra Luna Classic. And obviously, the overall Sam Bankman-Fried testimony coming up in a few days, that is going to be a major thing as well, depending on if he was behind the overall collapse or not. But now if we're looking at the price, guys, before we jump into the price, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. Now if we're looking at the price, you guys can see we are forming a green candle right now on the chart. So this is the daily time frame, but if I bring out the hourly time frame for you guys can see we are starting this continuation upwards pattern once again. You guys can see we did come all the way down to that 1.4 cents mark, never really managed to break below that, so that is a good sign. And right now, as we start this year off, we are starting it off in an upwards trajectory formation that has been forming. Hopefully we do get above this level of resistance. Every single time we did get above this level of resistance, Bitcoin decides to take a little bit of a cool off, which has been affecting us quite a bit. So that is kind of a joke going around, like, has Bitcoin hate Terra Luna Classic? What's going on? Like, whenever Terra Luna Classic kind of has a reversal towards the upside, Bitcoin decides to say, you know what, let me just kind of kill the party. But all jokes aside, overall the formation pattern is forming towards the upside. Like I said, as always, this is the target that I'm looking at. It's very important for us to close above there, because let's look at it, guys. Every time we broke above here, we never managed to close above there. So that really goes to show why it's so important for the price to stay above there. And we need to be above there for me to start getting excited and start really talking about the prices like the 2.1 cents mark, and also the 2.7 cents level of resistance that we have not seen, to be quite frank with you guys, since November 5th. So that will definitely be a nice thing to see. But looking at the price of BTC, guys, this is something I do want you guys to not ignore right now. Bitcoin has been trading sideways here and there, and never managed to get back into this blue zone. This blue zone, if you want to take a look at it, if you don't really know how the Fibonacci retracement really works, I will tell you guys a nice way to remember. in order for us to think the price of Bitcoin is in the safe zone, you need to be in the blue zone. And if we zoom out right now, since this FTX collapse, we only went above there once, but that's when the Binance news came out, and we did see a pullback once again. But overall, since the yearly lows, it's no secret right now. Also, the Bitcoin price is still in an upwards trend. But as I say that, I still believe that Bitcoin has a little bit more downwards momentum to go. Like I've mentioned, really strongly encourage you guys to go watch my 2023 cryptocurrency market forecast. I really go into more in depth as to why I believe it's going to go lower. But as far as the overall lower goes, I don't see it going too low anymore because, historically speaking, the cryptocurrency market does see a bear cycle of a year and maybe a year and a half. So I personally strongly believe that the overall bear market is going to come to an end Q1 of this year, and we're going to start the upwards trend, form upwards trend after Q1 comes to an end. And that's before then, I'm being very greedy. I'm going to be picking up the altcoins, and I'm going to be looking at dollar cost averaging in those altcoins, because I personally believe things are going to start heating up once again. This is a cycle. Overall, historically speaking, everything is playing out, but only thing that is different this time around is that we're facing a global recession. And global recession can really have an impact on Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, as it is already having on the traditional stock market. But Bitcoin is created as a hedge against inflation. So basically, this is the first time ever that Bitcoin is going to be an asset class during a recession. So that is going to really show what Bitcoin is really made up of, and the real power of it. And we're seeing other countries, third world countries, that their monetary system is already corrupt and their overall currency is useless. And we're seeing these countries come and really implement Bitcoin as their payment method, and that really has been working successful on these third world countries. And this is where cryptocurrency really poses a massive strength. And I do believe that the upcoming years are more than bullish than ever. I'm bullish than absolutely ever. But obviously certain things such as like FTX collapse, these kind of things are the risk factors that are involved when you come into cryptocurrencies. And risk is involved in everything. It's not always that there's no risk. If there's no risk, the reward is going to be very low. And that's just how it goes. And this is why you always want to be investing where you can afford to lose. But that is it for today's update. I would love to know your thoughts down below, what you guys think, where you could see the price of Terra Luna Classic go in this year. And let me know your thoughts down below on the overall market sentiment. And do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Come join the Crypto ZX Army, 100,000 subscribers this year. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys tomorrow. It's from Crypto ZX, and peace out.